Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the 2026 Karmann Ghia. This is a legendary name reborn, blending retro charm with modern performance. If you're a fan of classic cars with a futuristic twist, stay tuned. The original Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, produced from 1955 to 1974, was a masterpiece of automotive design. Now, Volkswagen is bringing it back as an electric vehicle, capturing the elegance of the past while embracing the future. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to ride on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same one used for the ID series of EVs. This means it will have a powerful yet efficient electric motor, delivering a thrilling yet smooth driving experience. Volkswagen aims to keep the design as close as possible to the original Karmann Ghia. Expect curvy body lines, a sleek low-slung profile, and round headlights, all giving off a nostalgic feel. However, modern elements like LED lighting, aerodynamic wheels, and a high-tech interior will make it a true 21st century car. Performance is expected to be on par with modern electric coupes. A rear-wheel drive setup with a single motor is likely, pushing out around 250 horsepower. There could also be a dual-motor AWD variant with up to 350 horsepower, offering a 0 to 60 mph time of around 5 seconds. The battery size is rumored to be around 77 kWh, similar to the VW ID.4. This should give the Karmann Ghia a range of around 300 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities will ensure quick top-ups, making it practical for everyday driving. Inside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is expected to be minimalist yet premium. Volkswagen will likely use vegan leather, soft touch materials, and a digital cockpit with a 10 to 12-inch infotainment system. Expect wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assist features to be included. Safety is another strong point. Volkswagen will equip the 2026 Karmann Ghia with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera to enhance both convenience and security. Now, let's talk about the expected price. Given the premium build and electric powertrain, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is estimated to start at around $50,000 for the base model. A fully loaded AWD variant could push closer to $60,000, making it a direct competitor to vehicles like the Tesla Model 3 Performance and Polestar 2. For classic car lovers and EV enthusiasts alike, the revival of the Karmann Ghia is big news. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a tribute to timeless design, now with cutting-edge technology. What do you think about the 2026 Karmann Ghia? Would you choose this over other electric coupes? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more exciting car news and reviews. See you in the next video.